So in example number 11 here, we've got another complex calculation involving fractions and the word of. So of in maths means multiply, and one way of sort of thinking about that is if I asked you for what are 3 lots of 5? 3 lots of 5 are 15, and the way to calculate that is through multiplication. So of tending to mean multiply. So we've got a multiply going on here, and we've also got a subtraction, but it is wrapped up in some brackets. So what we're going to have to make sure we do is deal with the brackets first, and I'm going to keep it in a bracket just now as I start to think about how to do this calculation. And it happens to be a subtraction, so I can do the whole numbers first. So 3 take 1 giving me 2, and then I'll have to deal with half take away quarter. So just doing it step by step here, always remembering that this 2/3 will need to multiply by whatever the result is from this subtraction. So let's see if we can find the common denominator, because we need that for subtraction. If we've got denominators of 2 and 4, then the common denominator, the lowest common multiple, is 4. So this fraction can become 2/4, take away 1/4. 2 quarters take 1 quarter is just 1 quarter, so we get 2/3 multiplied by 2 1/4. And we've managed to deal with the subtract. We've still got to do the multiplying before we can go any further. The second fraction, which is a mixed number just now, needs to become improper. So 2 wholes here is the same as 8 quarters, plus another quarter giving us 9/4. And then maybe you've seen it, we've seen it so many times now, diagonal cancelling is going to save us simplifying at the end. And there we go again with 3 and the 9, which is great, because actually 1/1 multiplied by 3/2 is all we're left with. 1/1 is the same as 1, so 1 multiplied by 3/2 is just going to be 3/2, which, since we started with some mixed numbers, we should really return our answer to a mixed number. 3/2, well, it only takes 2 halves to make a whole, and we've got another half left over. So 1 1/2 is the answer to that question.